Hey, welcome back to Daily Driven Alpha. It's been a bit since the last post, and we've been doing some international travel, so I guess we finally had the opportunity to get back into the project shed, which is a good thing. Last time we put a post up, we were talking about this front end here, and really talking about the alignment of the heart and how it was sitting out at an angle and wasn't coming up flush. And part of the reason was that this car suffered some damage in the past, and this area here during previous repairs has been panel beaded out, and so the actual curvature here was, if you like, bellied out and not in line with the rest of the car. What that was doing was, I guess, taking this heart and forcing it out onto an angle like that rather than tipping it back inwards so that it would fit nicely on the front of the car. Now, part of the reason we've cut this front section out is that there's been a lot of damage here, and I'll show you in a second, that was repaired with brass brazing and some pretty average repairs back in the day. And as a consequence, we're unable to work that metal any further because it's just starting to split. So what we've done is we've just taken the entire front, cut the front panel off, and left this bottom section here as a guide for us for our new panel so that we can weld. So we're just going to have some really nice straight welds here that we can grind off, and that will disappear nicely. Gives us access to this front cross member as well for underneath the radiator. Have a look at that, see if we're happy with that. And what we've done is we've gone back into areas where the actual form of the front end is still good. So what you'll do is you'll see that's sort of the shape that we're looking for, but you can see on this side it's pretty much folded. And if you have a look under this panel here, what you'll see is some pretty poor repairs and some brazing under here. And what's happened there is that has created an issue for us. It's hard for us to work. So some repairs there underneath that we're cutting out as well. And you'll also notice that you can see that the metal itself is misshapen. And so what we're going to do is we're going to look to form a new piece of steel here, fold it and put that shape back in, and then we're going to have to cut a heart back in and remanufacture that to go into here. So really that's our mission now. After much consternation and looking at alternatives, we've decided to take the plunge, cut the front end off, and make a new piece of steel to fit in there. So that's our mission, and we'll see how we go. The next post hopefully will be with us having formed up a new piece of steel. You can have a look at it, hopefully even put it in. More to come. Thanks for watching. Hope all your projects are going well. If you have any comments that are respectful, please share them. Love to hear from you guys, and share this link with others, like, subscribe, and look forward to the next post. Cheers.